Welcome to this video, a video about VT project presentation, and the name of project is Student Management System, submitted by Aditya Gandharw and submitted to Mr. Mohan Sahu, who is HOD of our CSE department. So let's begin. Welcome to Student Management System. Student system containing these kinds of table of content which have introduction part, system analysis part, design part, process part, conclusion part, question and answer part, and we can end this video. Let's talk about introduction. So introductions part containing three parts: introduction about the project, objective and scope of the project, benefit of the project. So let's talk about introduction. A introduction is a student management system. It designed to record, analyze, and manage information in a school. Objective and scope of the project is look like this. Let's define it. So you can store and track student workload, personal information, grades, predict, and you also can store a student personal detail which is important in the future. So you can use it easily. So let's talk about benefit and advantage of the project. So it is easy to understand, more interactive, and you can easily find a student records. System analysis containing four parts: hardware and software specification, technology used, data flow diagram, which is help us to understand our project better, entity relationship. So this is a language Python which is used to make this project better and easily to understand everyone. So this is information to understand Python better. Hardware and software is look like this. You can easily run this project in any Windows, and I made this project by using PyCharm Community Edition, by using Python ideally, by using Python library, and I used PHP to store the data and MySQL to make this project tables, and many more library I used. So let's talk about technology used. So PyCharm to make this amazing project better, and PHP to store data easily. So let's talk about data flow diagram, which is look like this. So entity relationship is look like this, and we can understand the project is very big and easy to understand everyone. Mean it is easy and more interactive for the user. So let's talk about design. Logical parts, physical parts, input parts, and output parts, which is used to make this design and understand the design part. So this is a source code which is give us some outputs which is look like this. So inputs parts for users is look like this, and home page also have a inputs parts for users. So when we put inputs we get outputs. So login output is look like this, home page output is look like this. So let's talk about process with a screenshot. So we need to log in firstly, and then when username wrong we get this kind of information, and when user password wrong we get this kind of information. So when we put correct password we get a page, the page name is home page. So when we press previous button, the previous button will work like this, and when we press next button, the next button it is work like this. When we want to add some new button we need to press add button, and the add button will work like this, and after completing we get a result like your data has been inserted. So update button is work like this, and after updating data we get some message like your data has been updated. So delete button is work like this, search button is work like this. Mean when we put a roll number of student, then we get information about that corresponding roll number. So when we put student data easily, and after we want to seeing them data, then we can see in student data entries which is in home page. So we can easily get the data and easily understand that which student having which kind of data. So this is the conclusion part. So thus a student information system is a software that assists institute in storing, maintaining, processing, and compiling student data, keeping track of their daily activities, attendance, and performance, and providing necessary assistance and feedback. So if you want to some questions you can ask me in this video. I will reply you kindly. So thank you to having me and thank you to having this video. Thank you and keep supporting.